With 3 decades of experience, Gaoxin Pipe Fittings Company Limited has always adhered to the industrial belief of making flow safer, advancing the manufacturing of pressure pipe components through precision engineering. From the shores of the Bohai Sea to Eurasia, Gaoxin Pipe, as a one-stop provider of pipe fitting solutions, consistently safeguards the safety of fluid systems for over 30 global industries. We offer a full range of pressure piping components, including flanges, elbows, T's, other standard fittings, and specialized custom products made from materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and alloy steel to meet the diverse needs of the energy, pharmaceutical, and other sectors. In applications ranging from high-energy fluid transmission to the critical transportation of pharmaceuticals, each weld reflects the meticulous effort and commitment of numerous skilled professionals. Gaoxin Pipe has developed a standardized production framework, incorporating advanced equipment to ensure traceable quality control across critical stages, from raw material acquisition to final product delivery. It implements the quality principle of everyone accountable, every process controlled, every product qualified. The technical team at Gaoxin Pipe is highly competent, with several certified NDT personnel, including MT, PT, UT, RT, ASME certified welders, and specialists in the operation of specialized equipment. It maintains extensive testing capabilities, encompassing chemical composition analysis, mechanical property evaluation, metallographic examination, and corrosion studies, thereby ensuring comprehensive technical support for product quality. With patented technologies building a quality moat, complemented by comprehensive quality management certifications and EU approvals, we persistently practice the zero-defect philosophy, transforming intangible technical expertise into tangible reliability for customers. With ingenuity, we will keep our original aspiration and use quality to build the future. Gaoxin Pipe will continue to provide reliable products for global industrial fluid systems.